As you step into your 20s, you're not just stepping into a new decade of your life. You're stepping into a world filled with financial possibilities and pitfalls. This era is more than just about exploring careers and making memories. It's the prime time to set the foundation for a prosperous future. But how do you navigate this complex landscape of income, expenses, and savings? What secrets do the financially savvy know that you can learn right now? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to manage your money like a pro. But first, let's unravel the mystery behind the most powerful financial asset: income. In your 20s, your income is more than just a paycheck. It's your ticket to freedom and security. But how do you maximize it? Understanding the main difference between gross and net income is a start. Gross income is your total earnings before taxes and deductions, while net income is what you actually bring home. Surprisingly, a 25-year-old making $50,000 annually might only see about $35,000 of it after taxes and other deductions. So how do you bridge this gap and enhance your earnings? Side hustles, negotiations for raises, and investing in your skills are just the tip of the iceberg. First, we need to consider where all your money goes. Expenses in your 20s are like navigating a labyrinth. From rent to groceries, each decision impacts your financial future. Do you know that the average adult spends over 30% of their income on housing alone? And let's not forget the lure of dining out, which can devour a budget faster than you can say avocado toast. But fear not, as understanding your needs versus wants is the compass that will guide you through. By categorizing your expenses and tracking where every dollar goes, you'll uncover surprising truths about your spending habits. But recognizing your expenses is just one part of the equation. The real magic happens when you learn to balance what goes out with what stays in. Budgeting in your 20s isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. Think of it as a blueprint for your financial success. Whether it's the 50-30-20 rule, where you allocate specific percentages of your income to needs, wants, and savings, or a zero-based budget where every dollar is assigned a job, the right strategy could turn your dreams into achievable goals. Imagine saving for that dream vacation, or owning your first home sooner than you thought possible. And what about unexpected expenses? With a solid budget, even the unwelcome surprises become manageable. But budgeting is more than just numbers and predictions. It's about behavior and making choices that align with your long-term vision. So how can you supercharge your savings and make your money work for you? Savings and investments in your 20s can seem like a distant concern, but they're the secret weapon of the financially savvy. Did you know that if you start investing $100 a month at 20, you could have over $150,000 by the time you're 60, assuming an average 7% annual return? It's the magic of compound interest, where your money grows exponentially over time. But where do you start? From emergency funds that keep you secure to retirement accounts that prepare you for the future, understanding the different types of savings and investment vehicles is crucial. And let's not forget about risk tolerance and the role it plays in your financial choices. But how do you balance saving for the future with living for today? As you learn the financial strategies that will help you thrive financially, remember that your 20s are a time of exploration and growth. Your financial journey is just beginning, and the choices you make now will echo throughout your life. Subscribe to our channel to learn these financial strategies.